This is our model, Andrei, from our HQ collection. Prep the hair with a moderate dosage of American Crew Prep and Prime Tonic. After placing the horseshoe parting to separate the top from the bottom, establish the basic head shape using the clipper over comb technique. Beginning at the bottom of the panel, build slight graduation resulting in the length at the top being approximately 1 inch. Note that this horseshoe parting sits high in the recession and drops low in the back behind the ears, resting just above the occipital bone. This will be a consistent feature of the HQ collection. Utilize the fanning over comb technique to refine the taper. Section off the crown just behind the ears. Subsection the crown into 3 triangle sections for maximum control of the hair. Using basic side-to-side sections, flat cut with shears. Elevate the hair straight out from the center of each section using the guide from below. When cutting the outer subsections, it is essential not to follow the head shape. Remain standing at the center back of the head and over-direct the hair straight back. The length from the outer corner will become your guide for the sides. Beginning on your dominant side, flat cut with the shear using basic horizontal sections. Extend the section straight out from the side of the head. Do not round towards the face. Work up to the center top and then repeat on the opposite side. Find your length guide for the top just behind the apex. Using basic side-to-side sections, flat cut the top in a square layer. Elevate the front straight up to accentuate the strong square shape. Blow dry the hair using medium heat and moderate airflow and expand the shape with your fingers. Strengthen the silhouette with clipper over comb. Support the height with a liberal dosage of American Crew Boost powder. Refine the final look with freehand shear work.